We have a graphic that shows some of these natural remedies that we can use as well. Can we talk a little bit about these, or are you familiar?
Well, you know, all these 5 products have shown to facilitate, eliminate some of the process of inflammation, but it's not going to replace modifying your diet.
Right.
So you cannot go to McDonald's and then have some turmeric and hope that it didn't do anything bad.
Right.
Or in McDonald's have a Diet Coke and assume it didn't make you fat because you had a Diet Coke. So all these things help, and all these things will be part of a healthy diet when you incorporate all these foods that we've been discussing before. You don't need to supplement because it'll be in your diet.
What about coffee? Is that a good anti-inflammatory?
Coffee is known to be a good anti-inflammatory. It's good for many other processes in your body, including keeping you alert when you're driving.
Yes.
But coffee has shown to have very positive benefits in your body.
And vitamin D as well?
Vitamin D as well.
Okay.
Vitamin D is a consequence of us being indoors all the time.
Right.
So vitamin D deficiency. So it's quite common. It's quite common in the mid of the United States, in the northern parts, but even in Florida, you know, people and kids have gotten used to just staying indoors all day long.
Right.
Sun exposure is important for a healthy vitamin D, and most of us have 0 sun exposure, and we have low vitamin D and all its consequences.